Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram story music if it's not working. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and find the app icon for Instagram. Okay. Now just go ahead and tap and hold on it. Now if you're using iOS, go ahead over to Settings app and then find the app section and just tap on Instagram, then tap on Offload app or Offload data. And here under Android, just tap on the information icon like so, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and find the storage section right here. Okay, tap on it, and in this page, just tap on clear cache first. And then once done, tap on clear data. And after that, it will require you to log in. Okay, just open up Instagram and it will ask you to sign back, and just sign back in. And then once done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, just go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Now tap on the three horizontal lines. Okay. In here, just go ahead over to the section where it says Creator Tools right here. For professionals right here, just tap on Account Type and Tools, and then go ahead and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Okay. If you're under a professional account, maybe try to switch to personal account. And then once done, you can now go ahead and try, and it should work now. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.